discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. So what's your name, man, and what's your equipment?
My name's Brandon. I've got 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 15s running on 2 Terrence base 8Ks running at half ohm. I got 4 RS 6 or Resilient Sound 6.5s, 4 PRV tweeters, and the mids are running off of Sundown SFB 500.4, and the tweeters are running off of a Sundown SFB 200.4.
Okay, nice. You know your stuff, man. Awesome.
Thank you.
Did y'all build this? Or really looks clean, man. Nice carpet. Do you know your tuning or port area?
42.
42 hertz. Okay. Wow, looks really good.
Thank you.
Nice work. I like those bracings, custom burnt that mounts onto it. Good.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, yeah, man. I'm ready.
Let me talk. It's gonna be a she creamer. It's DJ Rusticles.
plays all the way down to 20 hertz like that. And it didn't even slope off, so that sounded really good, man.
Thank you.
Thanks for the demo, man. Is there a way I can see the back? Amp and all?
Oh, it is? Okay, awesome. Appreciate it. Hey, I like your doors too.
Thank you.
That looks really good.
Thank you.
Nice. Nice work. What was your name?
Brandon.
Brandon. Okay, Brandon. Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Woo. This is sweet. How much lithium is this, or?
160 amp hour.
160? Your voltage wasn't even bad. It was really good. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it's pretty solid. Don't turn down. We metered it. It just made 7,900 watts.
It did? Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. That's right. Awesome. Thanks for showing me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. We know who you are, so can we get your picture?
I like to see everything. I appreciate it, man.
Oh, you're welcome.
Nice work. You kept it clean and loud. Good.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.